Why choose IEC's 39-0-006-0016 Piece Toolkit for Rigid Endoscope Repair? When it comes to repairing rigid endoscopes, the choice of tools can make a significant difference in the quality and safety of the procedure. Among the various options available, the IEC Opening Toolkit, crafted from solid brass, stands out as a superior choice for several compelling reasons. Each tool is meticulously designed to provide the highest level of accuracy and control. This ensures that when you are working with delicate equipment like rigid endoscopes, you can rely on the tool to perform with precision, reducing the risk of errors. The eyepiece opening tool is specifically engineered to avoid pinching or damaging the eyepiece. Unlike some competitors' tools that may apply uneven pressure or cause undue stress on the eyepieces, IEC's tool provides a gentle yet firm grip. This is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the endoscope, preventing costly damage, and ensuring the longevity of the equipment. Constructed from high-quality solid brass, the IEC eyepiece tool offers superior durability and resilience. Brass is known for its strength and resistance to corrosion, making this tool a long-lasting addition to any repair kit. This robust construction also contributes to the tool's ability to maintain its precision over time, even with frequent use. IEC is a trusted name in the field of medical equipment repair tools. Their commitment to quality and innovation is reflected in every product they offer. Choosing the IEC eyepiece opening tool means investing in a reliable, high-performance tool backed by IEC's reputation for excellence.